Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll tell you how to install and download Fast Budget Expense Manager application in your smartphone. So you need to go Google Play Store or App Store, then search Fast Budget Expense Manager. You can see this is the app, so it's really easy to install. If you look at the about something like, you can see 4.6 rating of the app and 103k reviews, 6.7 megabyte, and 5 million people plus already download this app. So manage your personal finance and easily track your money, expense and budget. So if you really want to make something good for your day-to-day finance activity, then you can use this application. It's really easy to use. So simply tap on the install button and it takes few moments to install in your device, and it is easy to use. So I will upload more video how to use this application in upcoming tutorial. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.